how to protect yourself. I told you about the masking and all that. That's one separate issue. But ultimately, it is a question of your immunity. And immunity comes from muscle. The stronger and active you are, the more your immunity will be. So that means even in a lockdown state, do not become a couch potato. Always be active, do your exercising, yoga. If you have a 10 by 10 room that's you're locked up in, yoga is the best you can do. I mean, you do 30 Surya Namaskars as good as running 4 kilometers. So you can actually stretch your body, build muscle, exercise your pulmonary system. You do pranayam. That's essential no matter where you are. So exercising, breathing exercises of yoga. Then we say you must have enough nutrition, enough protein, because protein, no matter whether you're vegetarian or non-vegetarian, do not compromise on your nutrition. Then, of course, addition of vitamin C, zinc, grandmother recipes like tulsi, whatever you like to add, that is all good for you. But enough sleep, enough exercise, enough nutrition. These are the 3 things you can do for yourself. And breathing exercises, like we said, will keep your throat, your lungs clear, because the virus actually finds the host in the back of your throat and nose. So gargling with warm water twice a day, or at least before you go to sleep, is good. If you feel that you're getting like a sore throat or something, use 2% betadine gargle, diluted 1:1 with water, and gargle for 30 seconds. And you will feel that if you were getting something, it may protect you from that. So that's for your personal needs. Don't go near your elderly. If you have somebody 80, 85, 90 years at home, please wear a mask when you go near them, because they are very vulnerable. Even if you're carrying the virus, which is not affecting you, it could affect them. So those are the things for personal protection.